The President of the United States, Donald Trump, has decided to put Carter Carlson, Megyn Kelly, Candace Owens, and Alex Jones on full blast and basically call them out, dragging them, of course, to filth on his Twitter account. He said, "I know why Carter, Tucker Carlson, Megyn Kelly, Candace Owens, and Alex Jones have all been fighting me for years, especially by the fact that they think it is wonderful for Iran, number one state sponsor of terror, to have a nuclear weapon because they have one thing in common: low IQs. They are stupid people. They know it, their family know it, and everyone knows it too. Look at their past, look at their records. They don't have what it takes. They never did. They've all been thrown off television, lost their shows, and aren't even invited on TV because nobody cares about them. They are not jobs troublemakers and will say anything necessary for some free, cheap publicity. Now they think they got some clicks because they have third-rate podcasts, but nobody's talking about them. Their views are the opposite of mega, or I wouldn't have won the presidential election in landslide. Mega Mega agrees with me and just gave CNN a 100% approval rating of Trump, not hand failing floods. Like Tucker Carlson, who couldn't even finish college. He was a broken man when he got fired from Fox, and he's never been the same. Perhaps he should see a good psychiatrist, or Megyn Kelly, who nastily asked me the now famous Only Rosie O'Donnell question, or crazy Candace Owens, who accuses the highly respected First Lady of France of being a man when she is not, and hopefully win lots of money in the ongoing lawsuit. Actually, to me, the First Lady of France is far more beautiful woman than Candace. In fact, it's not even close. Or bankrupt Alex Jones, who says some of the dumbest things and lost his entire fortune, as he should have, for his horrendous attack on the families of the Sandy Hook shooting victims, ridiculously claiming it was a hoax. These so-called pundits are losers, and they always will be. Now, fake news, CNN, the failing New York Times, and all other radical left news organizations are hailing them and giving them positive press for the first time in their lives. They're not a mega, they're losers. They try to just latch onto the mega. As president, I could get them on my side anytime I want to, but when they call, I don't return their calls because I'm too busy on world and country affairs. And after a few times, they go nasty, just like Marjorie Traitor Brown. But I no longer care about that stuff. I only care about doing the right thing for our country. Mega is about winning, and strength is not about, it's not allowing Iran to have nuclear weapons. Mega is about making America great again, and these people have no idea how to do that, because I do, because the United States is now the hottest country anywhere else in the world. That was a tweet up by President Donald Trump, basically coming for every one. And of course, Candace Owen did, of course, clap back and responded on her Twitter account. She said she was going to remain off air for the week, but given Trump's glorious attack on his own sanity, I will be back with a response at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. See you guys again. You guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.